How to fix FiOS remote volume not working, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check the remote batteries. Weak batteries can cause partial button issues. Replace the batteries in your FiOS remote with fresh ones, and test the volume buttons again. Step 2. Make sure TV volume isn't muted. Grab your TV's original remote, or use the buttons on the TV itself to check that the sound isn't muted and volume is turned up. Step 3. Program the remote to your TV. If the remote isn't paired with your TV properly, the volume buttons won't work. Here's how to fix it. Press and hold the OK and FiOS V buttons together until the red light blinks twice. Enter the code for your TV brand. You can find codes on the Verizon website or in the manual. The red light will blink twice again to confirm. Now test the volume buttons. Step 4. Auto program, easy method. Don't know your TV's code? No problem. Press and hold OK plus FiOS TV until the light blinks twice. Press and release the 0 button. Now keep pressing the channel up button slowly until the TV turns off. Once it does, press OK to save. Now your volume buttons should work. Step 5. Reset the remote, last resort. If nothing works, reset your remote. Press and hold OK plus FiOS TV until the red light blinks twice. Enter 900. The light will blink 3 times. That means the remote has been reset. Now reprogram it to your TV using the steps we just covered. Don't forget to like, share. Thanks for watching.